In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox keeps crashing after launching. Now the easiest way to do this is to do a clean reinstall of Roblox. So what you need to do is come here and search for run, type in %local app data %, press OK and find your Roblox folder. Now once you found it, what you want to do is open it and you should see versions. What you want to do is you want to delete this folder. And once you've deleted it, head over to apps and features, search for Roblox, and then uninstall Roblox. Once you've done that, go and reinstall it and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, try and install it from another place. So if you download it from the Roblox website, instead try and download it from the Microsoft Store. Now if you open up Microsoft Store and search for it, you'll see it's free in there. So try and download it from in there and see if that works. If you already downloaded it from in there, try and download it from the website. So just try and download it from the other place. Now, once you've done this, it should hopefully work. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.